Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of Power BI tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, let's see merge and append queries in Power Query. For this, let's load some data sets into the Power Query. For that, go to get data, choose the source file, which is a text file. I'm loading four files: sales north, sales October. First load um, north, sales north. On transform data. Let's connect again. Sales not November, now October. Now we have two tables or two queries. Sales from, like it is not north sales in November, north sales in October. Now my requirement is, now I want to combine this data into a single table. Instead of separate maintaining separate tables, I want only one combined table. So for that we use append queries. So append is nothing but combines the data. So both the queries have the same structure: order ID, or date, product, amount, region. The same October table also: order ID, date, product, amount, and the region. So both tables have the same structure. So the data is related. So I want to combine into a single table. For that, we can use append queries. So to append the queries, we have to select any table, go to append queries here, and append queries. When you click on append queries, you will get two options: append queries as new. So when we choose append queries as new, it creates a new table. But if I want only one table, want only a combined table, we can use append queries. Now I want a new table, append queries as new. First table is North table, November table. Second table is October table. Click on OK. Now the new table is created, which is append one. Now both the data is combined into a single table. Now this table has 6 rows. We have 3 rows from this table and 3 rows from this table. Now when we combine, we got 6 rows. So this is a append. This append queries. We are combining into a single table. We can also rename this sales, all sales. This is one type of append. We are appending all the table, appending into a new table. But if I want to append on the original table, I want to combine this into a single table. For that, we can use append queries as we have to use only append queries. When we choose append queries, like it appends the data in place. Table to append, I want to append. This is the current table. We have selected this table. I want to append with the October table. When you click on OK, now this data has this table has both the data, November data and also October data. Because in this in this table, we are appended a new table, which is October. So that's why we got this data into this table. So we have to choose wisely. Based on our requirement, we have to choose append queries or append queries as new. So when you want to append, you create a new table, new query, you have to choose append queries as new. But if you want only, if you want to append the query to another table, you can choose append queries. This is append queries. So let's clear this and understand how merge works. So I want to delete this all the files. I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm deleting all these files. You can say this queries or tables. Delete, delete it, or delete this code. So this is about append. So it's if you want to understand much, let's um, load some data, go to recent sources, or go to new source. CSV is a text file. So have two data which is products, transactions. Open this file, click on OK. Now the products table is loaded into Power Query. Choose another file which is sales transactions. I have two tables, product and the sales transactions. Now product and sales transactions are related based on the product type. Now I want to perform merge. Merge is nothing but a join. We know that in SQL we combine the tables, we join the tables based on the data column within them. In the same way, merge works. Now I want to combine this table based on product type. The products table I have product ID. The sales transactions table I have product ID. Using these two columns, I want to perform merge. So if you want to perform merge, go to merge queries. I want to merge queries as new. I want a new table. I will choose merge queries as new. So this is the first table. Second table is sales transactions. I want to perform inner join, only matching records, or let's say perform loader join. And the common column is we have to set the common column is product ID, product ID. Now it shows the selection matches 4 of 5 rows from the first table and 5 of rows from the second table. So when you use floater join, so if I use inner join, 4 of 5. Okay, let's use floater join. Click on OK. Now we are able to see a new query which is merge. Now to expand this, we set the column. From this column, I want quantity, sale date, mm, quantity, sale date, transaction ID. Okay. Now I have merged. This is a product ID, product name, category, price, and transaction ID, units, and the transactions, sale date. So this is merge. We can change also the column names. Now we merge the queries based on the product ID. We measure new queries. Now I want to perform in place on this products table. I want to perform merge. So further, you can use merge queries. Second table is transactions. Now I want to perform floater join. Common column is product ID, product ID. Now the sales transactions table is loaded into this table. Now to expand it, let's add the columns. I want quantity, sale date, mm, and okay. Now I'm able to see the new columns from the transactions table. So what we are doing is in the products table, we are merging transactions table. This is one type of merge. So it is very similar to joins in SQL. So a merge means we are joining two tables or two queries. Append means we are combining data. It is like a union all. So that is. So when we use append, we are joining data, we are combining data vertically. When we use merge, we are combining data horizontally. This is about merge and append queries. This is a very important concept because in most of the interviews, they will ask what is the difference between merge queries and append queries. So that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share with your friends who are learning OBI. And that's all. I'll share this source files in the description. Make sure to download and practice. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.